Get started with Enact. With Enact's Quick Setup, you can create your initial data collection in minutes. Simply enter the data collection name, and then add the parts, features, processes, and manufacturing limits. Enact then guides operators through the data collection process. Enact recognizes any non-compliant values and provides instant notifications. With a few clicks, Enact users can also provide vital feedback. As data is collected, Enact dashboards provide operational insights that help you improve quality and reduce waste. And InfinityQS guides you every step of the way. With pre-configured dashboards, quick setup tools, and our guided learning offers a growing collection of tutorial videos and interactive exercises to help you get the most value from your Enact subscription.